Hi, I'm Austin Hull, an application engineer here at Tektronix. Today I'm going to show you that analysis, decode, and triggering of a scent bus is extremely easy on the 5 Series MSO. From a default setup and with a valid scent signal connected to channel 1, press the Auto Set button to scale your waveform correctly on the screen. Tap Add New Bus, and then select Scent from the drop-down menu. Next, select your source and set the threshold to the center of the waveform. 0 volts is fine for this. Set your tick time according to the device under test. Again, we can leave 3 microseconds for this device. Now configure the format of the sent message. This waveform has 2 fast channels, both at 12 bits wide. This does have a pause pulse, so we'll select that now. Additionally, this waveform has a slow channel. I'm going to select 8-bit enhanced ID so we can decode that. Now we can adjust our horizontal scale to get both a fast channel and slow channel decode. From here, we can set up our trigger by selecting Bus under the Trigger menu. I'm going to select Trigger on Fast Channel and select the hex for the first channel here. This will be 27F. I'll select the second channel and set it to C72. Now I can use my pan and zoom to zoom in on my packets. We can see we're triggering on that. Adding a results table and a search provide a wealth of information. Stopping the acquisition allows me to move through both my results table with the multi-purpose knob and my searches with the navigation buttons. In just a couple of minutes, you can be analyzing scent packets on your 5 Series MSO. For more information on scent packet decode capabilities in the 5 Series, please see our app note.